Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling that won't break the bank? Then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Chrysler 300S in bright white. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 19-inch dark bronze aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, dark bronze badging, black tail lamp bezels, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, 29,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, blind spot and cross path detection, split folding rear seats, a dual pane panoramic sunroof, 300 horsepower rating, a 3.6 liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5490.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.